More rescue and recovery teams have arrived in KwaZulu-Natal to assist desperate families to try and find their loved ones. This follows the devastating floods that have seen close to 430 people passing away. Divers have been searching the Ilovu River in Amanzimtoti for 10-year-old Begemuzi Hlongwa, who was last seen on its banks. Senior journalist Griselda Lewis joined divers on the search.
As the death toll rises, there are scores of people that are missing or still unaccounted for. Here in the Ilovu River, rescue divers have been looking for a 10-year-old boy who is understood to have gone missing here near this river yesterday.
He says he just went under and his child followed. He says he tried to hold his leg, but the water pushed him. And as he tried to save him, when he looked back, his child was gone.
Residents of this area have been waiting here, hoping that he will be found. We also understand that a number of rescuers from several provinces around the country have been brought in to assist with rescue efforts, not just here, but in other areas.
So far, we have put up a team of 23 technicians that include medics, divers, canine handlers, as well as swiftwater rescue technicians.
We've spoken also to organizations that have also come on board to provide some of the relief to some of the residents that are desperate, in particular in areas where there are areas that have been cut off because the infrastructure itself has completely collapsed. Some of the emergency services have also been unable to reach these areas because the roads are so badly damaged that it is inaccessible at this particular time, while government says that it will bolster its efforts to bring in more people to assist.
It's vitally important for community to become involved because when we got here the other day, it was just a plea put out by the general team that were on board at that point in time, and they didn't have much. And we're talking both humanitarian as well as the crews that are on the ground. So we've got two sides to this. So we're looking after the crews going out, and we're doing humanitarian aid at the same time.
The community of this area is hoping that the 10-year-old boy will be found alive. Well, this as there are many others that are still missing in different parts of this area. We've spoken to mothers and fathers whose children have gone missing. The agony of the past couple of days has really come to the fore, where devastated families are asking for more assistance from government and for the deployment of more of these rescue divers to various areas that have been devastated by these floods over the past couple of days. Griselda Lewis, SABC News in Amanzimtoti.